Good day everyone, this is Viet from Axis Partners. Welcome to my weekly Forex Outlook. Last week, I had issues with my video recording software after a Windows update, and unfortunately I could not fix it in time for my usual video. The issue has been fixed now. We had non-farm payroll on Friday, which gave a much-needed boost to move some currency pairs that have been going sideways since the Federal Reserve decision to keep interest rates steady 2 weeks ago. I had one trade taken on the pound Australian dollar 8-hour chart on Thursday, and it was completed by Friday afternoon. The trade is simple: price action reversal at key support level 2.1430 area. Price made a bullish indecision. My entry was at 2.1480. Target was hit for plus 200 pips or plus 2R gain. Interestingly, the Euro Australian dollar on 8-hour chart had an almost identical setup at the 1.5780 support level. However, according to my trading strategy, I can only take trades that form on daily support resistance level that I have identified. So the decision to not take the Euro Australian dollar long was simple, but definitely not easy, especially seeing that it too was a profitable trade. Let's have a look at pairs that I'm watching for next week. First up is the Australian New Zealand dollar on daily chart. Price is now once again testing support at 1.0920 level. This level has been tested many times in the last few months. Let's have a quick count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Given what price has done recently, I would favor a bounce off this level unless I see a daily candle that closes below this level. I'm going to remove the 1.1050 level here because it is not as significant as the other two in my opinion. Next Tuesday, there is interest rate decision for Australia, so I'm going to let that event pass first before making a plan to trade for this pair, if the opportunity still exists. Moving to EURUSD on daily chart, I can see that price has been moving between the 1.1470 resistance and 1.1050 support in the last month. If I draw in a price channel like this, I can say that there is a weak and messy uptrend which started in April of this year. If price comes back to retest 1.1050 at the same time when this lower trend line intersects support, then it makes a case to go long if you believe that the uptrend will continue. It would take at least another week before the intersection occurs, so I will revisit this next Sunday. British pound Australian dollar on daily chart. The uptrend since May is still valid. However, price has not been able to make a higher high in the last 2 months. Let me quickly switch to line chart to confirm. Now, if support at 2.1430 is broken by a daily candle close, then that would signify an end to the uptrend and the beginning of something else. I'm going to wait until Wednesday and review this pair again. The pound Japanese yen finished the week close to 180.50 support level. We saw a lot of buying power at this level earlier in September, so I will be watching the smaller time frames for sign of price reversing at this support level if it gets there. A daily close below this level would invalidate any reason to favor going long and change my bias to short instead. USD Canadian dollar on daily chart. Price broke above 1.3350 resistance and immediately get pushed back down. Sellers has been quite strong in the last 3 days. The key level that I'm watching is the 1.3050 support. If price gets there and I can see strong sign of buying, then I will take a long trade in alignment with the overall daily uptrend. Last pair on my watch list is the New Zealand USD. If price reaches 0.6500 resistance level next week, then I'm going to be looking for signs of strong selling at this level to enter short. I am watching this on both the daily chart and the smaller time frames. Looking at the news calendar for next week, On Tuesday, we have interest rate decision for Australia. Wednesday will be monetary policy for Japan. Interest rate decision for UK will be on Thursday, as well as FOMC meeting minutes. So plenty of events to give us traders the volatility to trade with. That's all from me for this week. Thank you for tuning in today. I have been receiving a few questions from some viewers, so if time permits, I will answer them at the end of next week's video. Otherwise, I will reply to each question privately. Have another great trading week ahead. Bye for now.